YouTube? I'm back with another video. Oh my goodness, y'all are gonna absolutely enjoy, and I mean enjoy this one. So make sure, and I'm telling you, make sure you watch this to the freaking end. Now, what I'm about to do, okay, to start this video off, I'm about to tell y'all how to freaking 5 steps on how to survive quarantine. I mean, everybody's going through it, right? So why not, throw a little tips at you. Let's get it. Hit that subscribe button, by the way. And that like button, comment down below. Now let's get into it. Never, never, never kick my child out the house. Okay. I need her more than she needs me. Okay. Trust and believe. I love you.
You too.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on? So, I'm a little nervous, but my mom decided to come to my house and crash on my couch, right? She came up here just to nap, just to get away from my brother and my sister, because, they be always acting crazy. So necessarily, I'm making her a victim. I have a spray bottle. I'm gonna act like, you know how this corona thing's going around, and it's absolutely serious, absolutely. But my mom's been buying up the stores, toilet tissue, hand sanitizer, whatever she can get her hands on, she's been trying to get it. She ain't trying to catch it. She been wearing gloves. I'ma act like I sneezed on her and see how she reacts. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. Let's get into the video real quick before she wake up. Alright, y'all, listen. You got a reaction out of my daughter. But I broke the spray bottle. I think I pressed it too dang hard. It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna make a second attempt. Let me just try to find something to replace the nozzle. Y'all, I'm back. And I can't find another nozzle for the spray bottle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna poke a hole at the tip of this and spray a little bit and see if she'll wake up then, because this water's cold. Sorry, Bob.
Shauna. Shauna? Sean? Get out.
Hey, you gonna kick me out?
Shauna? Sean? Get out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. I can't say. Sean! Sean, I mean, DJ, I mean, oh, God, get somebody, I can't get somebody. Sean!
Ma, you're in my house.
I am not in your house, darling.
Open your eyes.
I cannot do it.
Why?
You got coronavirus in here.
Why don't?
I gotta clear my face and stuff. Don't
You want a paper towel?
Please.
Why you gotta kick me in my chin? Alright, y'all. So obviously the prank worked, yo. She didn't realize that, but she didn't even remember she was in my house. My mom's a little nut. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Look forward to more and more videos. I'm doing vlogs. I'm doing pranks. I'm doing challenges. I'm doing a bit of everything. So if you don't know me already, my name is Shauna Bear Johnson. And listen, I'm trying to get lit on YouTube. Again, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Good morning, good afternoon, and good morning, good afternoon, and good night to wherever you are in the world. Look forward to more videos. Remember to motivate, don't motivate. See y'all in the next video. By the way, I am absolutely positively doing a giveaway. Now, necessarily, this wasn't the giveaway I was supposed to do in the previous video, but with, you know, the quantity that I have, I'm doing a giveaway. So recently, a store is going out of business, and they priced everything half off. So what I did was, any artist, anyone who's, you know, very talented, everyone's talented in some type of way. Overall, let me not make this long. I'm giving away sketchbooks, right? I have 3, which necessarily means there could be 3 winners. No, wait. No, I'm sorry. I have 2. There can be 2 winners of this sketchbook. Now, the sketchpad, excuse me, has 100 sheets. It's 11 by 14, acid-free, 50 pounds, and yeah. A lightweight sketchbook paper suited for quick studies with any dry media. I don't know what that means, but what I do know is that you can sketch in it. You can, you know, express yourself the way you need to, okay? So with that being said, all you need to do to enter is follow me on Instagram, hit that subscribe button, and I know this corona thing's going around, but trust me, believe, okay, this will be quarantined in the package. I'll double wrap it, triple wrap it, and it's already in plastic. Okay, so when you get it, you can wear gloves, unwrap it, unplastic, throw the plastic out, and boom, it's all yours, because I did not touch the paper itself. Okay, so if you're super cautious of that, I got you, because it's already in plastic. You see the plastic, right? All of them are like that. Nothing is unplastic, and I will wrap it in extra plastic. So again, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram. That's all you gotta, and comment done. Okay, no, matter of fact, nah, that's too typical. That's too typical. Comment. I want to think of something kind of cool, something kind of funny, probably something a little cringe. Sneezed on your mom. Comment that. Sneezed on your mom, and I will make sure that you're entered in the giveaway. And I'll probably go on. Matter of fact, no, I'll probably just let you know who's the winner in the next freaking video. So that's all you have to do. If you really want this sketch pad, best believe I will send this to you when you are mentioned, because it will be you. When you are mentioned, make sure you message me your address, and this will be yours. See y'all later.
Yeah, for tomorrow. One thing we have done. Dominican Republic tomorrow. It's gonna be. Yeah.